Hey, Matt here with 911R Avant-Garde on Bring a Trailer. So we have a 1968 Intermeccanica Spyder, Italia Spyder, that is coming up here for sale on Bring a Trailer. I just want to do a little walk around and talk about this car. This car has undergone over a $200,000 restoration, and everything on the car has been touched. What's neat about these cars, they have a 302 Ford V8 in it. You know, while the car was built in Italy, and like lots of manufacturers, they relied on American power. So this car has a 4-speed automatic 302 and is all set up. It's been modified in the sense that it has aluminum radiator and dual electric fans. So it make the car cool better, much better than it would have in 1968. This car also does have power brakes. The suspension has been updated and has better shocks and bushings and stuff in it. So, it does drive really good. The whole front end of the car has been wrapped in PPF. It has new knockoff wheels. They're chrome wires. Come around to the interior, open it up, neat Vitali mirror. Cool wood steering wheel. Again, you get the 4-speed top-loader transmission. It has a modern retro-looking stereo in it. Nice leather seats in like Ferrari, Italian tones. This car does have a soft top that folds up nicely. Subwoofer. But coming around this car was ahead of time for 1968. You think this is prior to 365 Daytona. I mean, lots of similar styling and body lines, if you think about it. Really advanced. The Intermeccanica was a car that was designed, to kind of go after the Lamborghini type people. And if you come around to the front and get a real good look of the logo down in the grille, you can see its nod to Lamborghini and kind of a finger in the face if you look up close at it. Pretty interesting. But hey, this is a super unique car. You go to any car show, go to any event, you're going to be the only one, and pretty fun to drive. And with American power and drivetrain, very easy to maintain and run. So pretty unique. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, let us know. If you need a shipping quote or if you're interested in 911R selling a car for you, hit us up on the contact seller button. Thank you.